2 to the power a equal to 6. So find the value of a. What is the value of a? First we can take the log. So log 2 to the power a and log 6. And now this we can write a log 3, and this we can write the log 2 into 3, and this automatically we can write the log 2 plus log 3. And now this is a, and divide here the log 2 plus log 3, divide the log 3. So this is here the log 2 by log 3, and this is the 1, and we know the log 2 value is 0.693, and log 3 value we know approximately the 1.099. so put here, so 0.693, so 1.099, this plus 1, this one. So this is divide, this value is approximately the 0.31 plus this one, so approximately this value is 1.631.